He's like hella far to the left.
Look at it.
Oh, Bob!
Oh!
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm feeling too.
So the last wheelie contest, RJ got his ass whooped. He lost 20 bucks. Yeah, the last one.
Wheelie contest right here.
Yeah, yeah.
You just got a warm up, so I'm getting my warm up.
No, hold on. I'm about to wheelie this whole thing.
You just got your warm up.
Go for it. You think you're gonna be able to do it?
Yeah, I think I can.
We gotta get in Juan's car and see how long this road is behind him.
Oh, let me get a warm
But,
up. I don't know if I want like it better going down or up.
I'm thinking probably, I'm gonna say maybe like 7/10 of a mile.
Oh.
This road. I don't know, but we're gonna wheelie this whole entire stretch and we're gonna see. Do the longest wheelie.
We just did that shit first try, by the way, if you guys were wondering, off camera.
Well, I didn't do it on the camera, so now I have to do it again. But wheelie this whole entire street and see how far it is for the longest moped wheelie. I wonder if this is a record. I wonder what the longest moped wheelie record is.
Mine.
We need to call it Guinness World Record and then call him out here. But RJ said he's gonna try to hit it too. Hey, let's see how far it is, Juan. You're at 0.8.
At this pool.
So 38.8, starting right here. All right. All right, so now Juan's at 0.5. So the thing is 0.7 of a mile from where we started, but it goes up a little higher. So I'm gonna say it's a mile long. It's a mile.
Yo, I don't know how you do that shit first try.
Huh?
I don't know how you did that shit.
I don't know. So we're about to do a mile long wheelie. I just did it first try, but I've started from where we just started with Juan's car and it goes up a little bit higher. So I'm gonna try to do a mile long wheelie right now. He got no control, look at that. All over the place, Juan.
That's crazy.
I got that swerve now.
Arden's been doing the same thing for 3 years where he talks shit on my wheelies and then can't cap.
Going on for 3 years, boys.
3 years now. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. Keep it going.
That's what the fuck.
RJ's claiming now that he's somehow gonna beat me in a distance on this wheelie, even though he just lost 20 bucks in the last one. Let's see it.
I think I got it.
Let's see it. Get up there, hold on. What was that? You're losing it, mate. Don't pull the brake so much. Yo, he's nose wheeling.
No fucking way.
Wow. That's a Grom.
He's nose wheeling.
Oh, it is a Grom.
Is that Russia?
Nah.
No way.
Russia would have been, that would have been crazy.
No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God.
All right, here we go. Mile long wheelie. I think I just ran over a lizard. it's so windy.
First try.
It started going so fast and my eyes were like, this wasn't down. And for the boys. Oh. All right, RJ, full block. Get it. It's at 2, like going up there. Alright, there you go, you saved it, Come on.
Hey, I found out why I can't wheelie.
Why?
Because I hit the brake.
Yeah, I know, I've been saying that.
So watch, I'm gonna wheelie all the way from here to there, and then I'm gonna wheelie this whole way.
Let me feel the brake.
Huh?
Come on, RJ. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go.
This for the MOPBOYZ. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? I'm not going out like this.
It's all right, bro.
If I don't get it right now, I'm not rebuilding mine. I'm throwing that shit away today. You can have it.
All right. Big bad. It's the last time we fall on you, RJ. You better get it. We got Juan over here being the driver.
I'm saying, wasting big gas over there. Oh.
Luckily, we got the MPG, bro. We got that miles per gallon in this thing. Later. There he goes. How does he do one-handers? All right. I think that you're wheeling farther than your other moped. I think you're just thinking you're not because I did the whole road. Now you're trying to do the whole road.
Listen, MOPBOYZ. I ain't been in the videos in a while, okay? I ain't been on a moped in a while. I need to see Trevor do it 3 times.
3 times? What's that gonna change?
I promise you, I will do it before we leave.
Why would I have to do it 3 times?
Okay, I'll do it right now with my shirt off.
See how confident? See how confident?
Because it's pissing me off.
I was just talking about this. Every time you stop riding it, you get so confident, and then you hop on, and then you're like, I fucking hate this, bro. I don't even want mine no more.
Dude, because it's pissing me off.
This one makes you wheelie right here. We're getting low on gas now, so we're done with some wheelies, but I'm surprised I was able to actually get this whole road. And first try too. This is the longest wheelie I think I've done. I've never really measured a wheelie. I've usually just done them when we're doing ride outs and stuff like that. But we did it, boys. Mile long wheelie boy. God damn. God damn. This thing's falling apart. I think I messed up the front wheel when I slammed it down. Oh, I for sure did. On God. Why'd they slow down? Look at, we got some good scrapes on here today. Good scrapes. Yo! There's like hella motorcycles.
Yeah, I know.
Trevor and Juan left me and I ran out of gas.
RJ ran the moped out of gas.
I did not run the moped out of gas.
Now we gotta pull it home.
Trevor
Hey, there's moppers right there.
Oh, they waving.
Hey, y'all got gas?
Now go. Alright, you're good. You gotta go faster, my G.
I don't know. I feel like this is sketch. I ain't trying to get you hurt.
Look at his grip, y'all. For real? You thought I fell? That's crazy.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Alright, go.
That's crazy.
How you doing? Look at the focus in his face. See what happens when you don't fill the moped up? See, if I would have filled it up, we would have been fine.
RJ, you can't wheelie. I meant him. He's like hella far to the left.
Oh, Bob!
Oh!
Oh, this is so scary.
Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, hit the gas.
Yeah.
That's all you, cousin.
Oh, God.
Evan?
No, 91.
No, 87 going to go there.
another
Thanks
wheelie,
for
bro.
driving this rocket ship.
You already know I got you.
RJ,
Oh,
thanks for trying.
yeah. Wait till I
Maybe
get my
next
dirt
time.
bike.
Oh my god. Oh, RJ, such a punk, bro. RJ, such a punk. Later.